Hello guys, this is Akash. Welcome back to this YouTube channel Nursery with Lecture. In this video, I am going to start another chapter, that is Parabola, in the top 10 question series for JEE Advanced 2023. This is the first question, but before discussing this question, I want to say something, that is if you didn't join the Telegram group, join the Telegram group because it is really important for you. The entire updates for the JEE Mains and JEE Advanced I will be giving in this YouTube channel Nursery with Lecture, and also in the Telegram channel I will be sharing the updates as well as the practice sheets and the lecture notes I will be sharing. So it is very important for you guys to join the Telegram group and also subscribe to this channel and hit the bell icon to receive the notifications. Now let's get into this video and discuss the first question. The first question is saying, let L be a normal to the parabola y square equal to 4x. So there is a parabola y square equal to 4x. This is a parabola y square equal to 4x, and if L passes through the point 9, 6. So there is a point 9, 6. Suppose this is a point 9, 6, and the normal will pass through this point. And if you know clearly the properties of the parabola, it is very clear that at the point 9, 6, you can definitely draw the normals. How many normals? 3 normals you can draw. 1 normal, 2 normal, 3 normals. So you can find the normal equations 3 by just knowing the 1 point, because in parabola there is a property that the parabola equation, that normal equation for parabola resembles like this: y equal to mx minus 2a minus 2m cube. Y equal to mx minus 2m, y equal to mx minus 2m minus 2m cube. This is the normal equation for the parabola y square equal to 4ax. So y equal to mx minus 2m minus 2m cube is a cubic polynomial of m. So there will be 3 normals. So at the given 9, 6, it is a passing point, so I can substitute here. So it will be 6 equal to 9m minus 2m minus 2m cube. So 6 equal to 7m minus 2m cube. So it will be 2m cube minus 7m plus 6 equal to 0. So 2m cube minus 6m minus m plus 6 equal to 0. So here it will be 2m. If you see clearly here, 2m cube minus 7m plus 6 equal to 0, and I substituted the point 9, 6 here. 9m minus 2m, okay, 9m minus 2m, it is 7m, and after substituting this, here it is 2 into 6, it is 12. 12 we can write as 4 3s. So 2m cube minus 4m minus 3m plus 6 equal to 0. Here you can write 2m, you can take common, it will be, you can take 2m as common. 1 second. Here when we take common, it is a cubic polynomial, but we have to find the square term. When we substitute the point 9, 6, this is the thing we got. 4 3 is 12. Yes, it is correct only. If we take 2m as common here, m square minus 2 minus, if we take common here it is m minus 2, but here it is m square. What we can do here? The normal equation is correct only. Y equal to mx minus 2m minus m cube. Sorry, it is not 2m cube here, it is m cube. It is m cube just. So it will be m cube and m cube. So it is 6 minus 7m plus 6. So m cube minus 7m plus 6. So it is 6. 6 can be written as 6 ones. So m cube minus 6m minus m plus 6 equal to 0. If you take common m, it will be m square minus 6, and minus 1 it will be m minus 6. Where it is wrong? 1 second guys. The parabola is the given y square equal to 4x. Yes, y square equal to 4x, and the point is given 9, 6. So y equal to mx minus 2m minus m cube. Actually the form is y equal to mx minus 2am minus am cube. but here y square equal to 4x, a is 1, so we can write y equal to mx minus 2m minus m cube. So the point 9 comma 6 we have to substitute here. The point 9, here it is 6, 9m minus 2m minus m cube, and 6 equal to, here it is 7m minus m cube. So finally m cube minus 7m, m cube minus 7m plus 6 equal to 0. So after this we have to solve. Now we have to solve this cubic equation. Here it is 6. 6 can be written as minus 6m and minus 6m minus m plus 6. If you take m as common, m square minus 6. Once again guys, I will do this question last. It is time consuming. I will do another questions after completing all questions. I will do this question final. The first question is, now consider the parabola y square equal to 8x. Let delta 1 be the area. Let delta 1 be the area of the triangle. Let delta 1 be the area of the triangle formed by the endpoints of its latest rectum, and the point P 1, 2, 2 on the parabola, and delta 2 be the area of the triangle formed by drawing tangents at P and at the endpoints of lattice rectum. Then they are asking, then delta 1 divided by delta 2 equal to how much? So basically, if you see this question clearly, what they are saying, consider the parabola y square equal to 8x. So this is a parabola y square equal to 8x. Yes, this is a parabola here. Now they are saying that let delta 1 be the area of the triangle formed by the endpoints of the lattice rectum. So this is the lattice rectum and this is the points, and if I draw that is be the area of the triangle formed by the endpoints of the lattice rectum and the point P 1, 2, 2. So 1, 2 here, 2 is here. So this is a triangle formed. This is a triangle formed between P and here lattice rectum points you can name. Suppose you can take the lattice rectum points as Q and Q dash you can take, and this triangle P, that is Q P Q dash, this is a triangle formed by taking the endpoints. Now this is delta 1, this is delta 1. Now what they are saying, and delta 2 be the area of the triangle formed by drawing the tangents. At these points you have to draw tangents. When you draw the tangents, you will see a triangle is formed here. This triangle, let it be SN, PSN, let it triangle delta 2. Now they are asking what is the area ratio of this PQ dash another triangle, now PSN. So the area of QPQ dash divided by delta of PSN, and it is given as delta 1 by delta 2 ratio. But there is a property in the parabola that the area of a triangle formed by the point and the ends of the lattice rectum is twice of the area of the triangle formed by the tangents drawn at the points of latest rectum and the point. So delta 1 can be represented as 2 times of delta 2 and delta 2. Delta 2 will get cancelled and it will be 2. So simply we can directly write as 2. But there is another method for doing this. We know the endpoints of the latest rectum, how to find. The endpoints is a comma 2a and here a comma minus 2a, and this point is given p, that is 1 by 2 comma 2, and by taking these 3 points you can draw 3 tangents and you can find the intersection points and you can find the area and you can find the ratio. So it is a very big process you can do by doing the property of parabola. What is the property? The property is the area of a triangle formed by the endpoints of the latest rectum and a point in the parabola is twice the area of the triangle formed by the tangents at the endpoints of the latest rectum and the point given. So it is twice the area. The first question is completed. Now second question. Let x comma y be any point on the parabola y square equal to 4x. Let P be the point that divides the line segment from 0, 0 to x comma y in the ratio 1:3. Then the locus of P is option A, option B, option C, option D. X square equal to y square equal to 2x, y square equal to x square equal to 2y. So this is the second question. Now what they are asking? They are asking let x comma y be any point on the parabola. They given this parabola y square equal to 4x parabola, and let x comma y be any point. Suppose I am taking this point as x comma y. Now what they are saying? Let x comma y be any point on the parabola y square equal to 4x. Let P be the point that divides. Suppose this is origin 0, 0 and this point is x comma y. If we join these 2 points and P is a point and it divides the line joining 0, 0 and x comma y in the ratio 1:3. So now they are asking what is the locus of P. Locus of P. This is the thing we have to find. What we know, we can find the coordinate of P by the dividing formula of the mathematics here. That is mx2 plus nx1 divided by m plus n, comma my2 plus ny1 divided by m plus n. This is the formula, you already know the section formula. So now the P coordinates, suppose P coordinates is h comma k. If you assume the h coordinate is h equal to x divided by 4 and y coordinate equal to, that is k coordinate equal to y divided by 4. We already know what is x and y. These are the parametric point and I can assume as a square comma 2at. What is a here? A is 1, so 1 comma 2t, 8t square. So it will be t square comma 2t. It will be t square comma 2t. So x is t square by 4 and y is 2t by 4. So it will be t by 2. So the h coordinate is t square by 4 and this k coordinate is t by 2. If you observe carefully, what is the relation between h and k here? H is t square by 4 and k is t by 2. If I square this both sides, it will be k square equal to t square by 4. What is t square by 4? It is h. So k square equal to h. If I replace kh by xy, it will be y square equal to x. So option C is correct. Like this you have to do. This is the second question completed. Now third question. the common tangents to the circle x square plus y square equal to 2 and the parabola y square equal to 8x touch the circle at the points P and Q. The parabola it will touch at points R and S. Then they are asking area of quadrilateral, then area of quadrilateral PQRS is option A, option B, option C, option D. Option A is 3, option B is 6, option C is 9, option D is 15. This is also property based question. You can observe clearly the common tangents to the circle. This is a circle and the parabola is given. If you plot the circle and the parabola, this is a circle, this is a parabola, and if you see clearly, if I want to draw the common tangents these two, I have to do like this. It will be like this, and also same here. So at what points it is touching, it is very important. So at what points it is touching, it is important. So these two tangents are touching x-axis. So here, what are these 2 points? What are these points? It is really important. And if you know clearly, these points are just the diametric endpoints, and these parabola endpoints are lattice rectum endpoints. The lattice rectum endpoints are a, 2a and a, minus 2a, and the diametric endpoints are x square plus y square equal to 2. What it will be? When x is 0, what is y? Y equal to root 2. You can see here the points you need to understand. At which points it is touching. You can take the points, the diametric endpoints. We want the diametric endpoints. So the diametric endpoints can be 1, 1, and here 1, minus 1. And here you already know what is A here. A is y square equal to 8x. So A will be 2. So it will be 2, 4. It will be 2, minus 4. Now they want this area. This is a quadrilateral. This is you can say here R. This is S. This is P. This is Q. And P point is 1, 1. This Q point is 1, minus 1. And this point is 2, 4. And this point is 2, minus 4. This is a trapezium. These two sides are parallel. So what is the area of trapezium? Area of trapezium PQRS equal to half into sum of the sides. The sum of sides is 2 plus 8, and the distance between these two is 3. So half here it will be 2 plus 8, it is 10, 10 3 is 30, and 30 half is 15. So how much area it is? 15. So these points you have to observe very carefully here. So the third question is completed. Third question is completed. Now fourth question. Let E denote the parabola y square equal to 8x. Let P equal to minus 2, 4, and Q and Q dash be points of contact of parabola. Let F be the focus of E, then F be the focus of E, then which of the following statements is or correct, is or true? Option A, PFQ is right angle triangle. Option B, QPQ dash is a right angle triangle. Option C, distance between P and F is 5√2. Option D, F lies on the line joining Q and Q dash. This question is really important. This question came in JEE Advanced 2021. This is purely property based question. There is no big calculations here. What they are saying, there is a parabola. I am drawing the curve very neatly so that you can understand. This is the focus, this is Q, this is Q dash, and the point P is minus 2,4, and these two are the tangents, and this is a directrix. How I can say a directrix? Because the parabola is y square equal to 8x, y square equal to 4 into 2 into x, so directrix is equal to minus a comma 0, directrix equation. So it will be, what is minus a? It is minus 2 comma 0, so it is directrix. Now here it is also another thing. Now complete diagram is completed. P F Q dash, this is P, this is F, and what is F coordinate? A comma 0, that is 2 comma 0. P F Q dash Q, this thing, this is a right angle triangle. They are saying P F Q dash is a right angle triangle. Why it is like that? Because the portion generated between the directrix and the point of contact will subtend the right angle at the focus. This is a property of parabola, so it is correct. And QPQ dash is a right angle triangle. QPQ dash, yes, it is also a right angle triangle. Why? Because these two tangents will subtend the right angle triangle at the point of contact at the directrix. It is the general property of the tangents. You already know in the circles, you already studied. If it is a circle, it is the point P, and these two tangents are drawn. These two tangents will subtend an angle with whatever angle it will be, but in the parabola it will be 90 degree. This thing is also true. Distance between P and F is 5√2. What is P? P is minus 2 comma 4, and what is F? 2 comma 0. What is the distance between here? It will be 4 square plus 4 square. It will be root 32. It will be 4√2, but they given 5√2, so it is wrong. F lies in the line joining Q and Q dash. Q and Q dash, and F is lying in the line joining Q and Q dash. Yes, it is also correct. So it is purely property based. The calculation is not. These things are also not needed. Just it is the explaining purpose. You can orally do the question. Just you have to remember the properties of the parabola. So it is really important, guys. So to study the properties, it is really important, so that you can understand what is happening in the question. The fourth question is completed. Now fifth question. If the normal of the parabola y square equal to 4x drawn at the endpoints of its latus rectum or tangents to the circle x minus 3 whole square plus y plus 2 whole square equal to r square, then the value of r square is This is a thing, and it is a numerical type question. So you have to report the integer, or it can be any decimals also, I don't know. After solving the question, we can know that. If the normal of the parabola y square equal 4x, first anything you have to start with the diagram in the geometry section. Y square equal 4x it is, and what is the focus? Focus is 1, 0, because y square equal 4x, a equal to 1 here, so the focus is a, 0, it will be 1, 0, and what they are saying, ends of the lattice rectum. What are the ends of the lattice rectum? 1, 2a, it is 2, here 1, minus 2. These are the endpoints, and what they are saying, from these endpoints of lattice rectum, the normal is drawn to the parabola. This suppose it is a normal to the parabola. Normal is drawn, and this normal is drawn to the parabola, and it is a tangent to this circle. 3, minus 2. 3, minus 2 is here. It will be tangent for this circle, like this. Suppose it is a circle, it will be tangent like this. So now they are asking what is the value of r square. So now we have to find the first what is the equation for normal. So you can simply differentiate the curve. You can simply differentiate the curve y square equal to 4x. It will be 2y y dash equal to 4x. It will be 4. Y dash equal to 4 divided by 2y. It will be 2 by y. And we are particularly discussing at the point 2. It will be 2 by 2. It will be 1. It will be 1. So it is tangent slope. What is the normal slope? It is minus 1. It is tangent slope, it is normal slope. So I am writing the equation of normal. It will be y minus 2 equal to minus 1 into x minus 1. So it will be y minus 2 equal to minus 1 plus 1. So it will be x plus y minus 3 equal to 0. And we got one equation. It is enough. It is more than enough. This equation is a tangent to this circle. So what is the condition for tangency? If we drop the perpendicular from center of the circle to any line, if that distance is equal to radius, it will be the tangent. So now I am doing this. What is the center here? It will be 3, minus 2. And what is the curve line here? X plus y minus 3 equal to 0. And what is the center? 3, minus 2. Now I am developing the perpendicular. What it will be? 3 minus 2 minus 3 divided by root 2. This is a perpendicular from center. This perpendicular is equal to radius, and they want radius square. So what it will be? Here it will be 2 divided by root 2, and it will be root 2. Root 2 whole square, it is 2. So what is the value of r square? It will be 2. Like this you have to report. So the 5 questions completed. 5 questions completed. Now 6th question. If a chord which is not a tangent of the parabola y square equal to 16x has the equation 2x plus y equal to p and midpoint h comma k, then which of the following is or possible values of p comma h comma k, and options are: option A, p equal to minus 2, h equal to 2, k equal to minus 4. Option B, p equal to 5, h equal to 4, k equal to minus 3. Option C, p equal to minus 1, h equal to 1, k equal to minus 3. Option D, p equal to 2, h equal to 3, k equal to minus 4. This is also simple question. If a chord which is not a tangent, what they are saying, there is a chord, you already know, and it is not a tangent to the parabola y square equal 16x. Let it will be the y square equal 16x parabola. What they are saying, to this parabola there is a chord which is not a tangent, and given the midpoint of that chord. So what it will be? It will be the chord with given midpoint condition. This it will be y square equals 16x. So h comma k is a midpoint. So when midpoint is given when chord midpoint is given, what is a chord equation? It will be t equal to s1. What is t? Transformed equation of the parabola. That is y by 1 minus 8 into x plus x1 equal to y1 square minus 16x1. This is the thing. What is x1 y1 here? At this point h comma k. Y into k minus 8 into x plus h equal to h square minus 16 h square, it will be k square minus 16h, like this. Now if you observe carefully, it will be minus 8x plus ky. Just I am separating the terms, and here I will get minus k square plus 16h. Here it is minus 8h, so it will be completely 8h equal to 0. Now this is the equation, and what they given already this equation, 2x plus y equal to p. So now just we have to compare these two things. So I can get this p to left side equal to p equal to 0, that is minus p equal to 0. Now we have to compare these two things. How the comparison is going to happen? I can do the comparison like the quotient of x of this equation divided by quotient of this, and quotient of y, it will be 1 divided by, it will be k, and this is equal to minus k square plus 8h divided by minus p. Yes, it is correct. It will be reverse here. It will be minus p here. It will be minus k square plus 8h here. Now what is k? 2k equal to minus 8, k equal to minus 4. Where k equal to minus 4? Here it is k equal to minus 4, but these two options are wrong. So option A or option D, k equal to minus 4. Now when k equal to minus 4, what it is? K equal to minus 4, it is minus 16. Yes, it is minus 16. And when I equate to these two things, what I will get? I will get minus 32 minus plus 16h equal to 8p. Yes, is equal to 8p. So now I can take the possibilities. Whether p equal to minus 2, h equal to 2. I have to check here. P equal to minus 2, if I take here p equal to minus 2, it will be minus 16. And if I take h equal to 2, it will be minus 32 plus 32, it will be 0. So it is not equating. So when p equal to 2, it will be 16. When h equal to 3, it will be 16 3 is 48. 48 minus 32, it will be 16. 16 equal to 16. So option D is correct. Like this, you have to check. So the sixth question is completed. Now seventh question. Now seventh question, let S be the focus. Let S be the focus of the parabola. Y square equal to 8x, and let PQ be the common chord of the circle x square plus y square minus 2x minus 4y equal to 0, and the given parabola, the area of the triangle of triangle PQS is, what they given? Let S be the focus of the parabola, y square equal to 8x. So I am drawing the diagram here. Y square equal to 8x here. This is a numerical question, so you have to report an integer. So y square equal to 8x parabola is this, and what is the focus? Focus is 2, 0. This is focus. Yes, and there is another circle, x square plus y square minus 2x minus 4y equal to 0, and let PQ be the common chord of the circle as well as common chord of circle as well as this circle. You can definitely see this is a circle which is passing through the parabola, and it is also passing through the center. So it will be like this. So definitely 0, 0 is one point, and another point you can take as the parametric point. It will be t square, 2t. You can take 80 square, 280 here a is 2, it will be 2t square comma 4t. You can take the parametric point and you can substitute in the circle equation x square plus y square minus 2x minus 4y equal to 0. If you substitute, it will be 4t power 4 plus 4t square, 16t square it will be minus 4t square minus 16t equal to 0. From all I can take common t, 4t cube plus 16, and I can take common also 4t into, it will be t cube plus 4t minus t. Wait, here I can subtract these two. Why I am not subtracting 2t square minus 60? I can take now common 4t. If I take common 4t, it will be t cube plus 3t. Here it will be minus 4. So here from here it will be t equal to 0, and another thing, t equal to 1. When t equal to 0, it is completed 0 comma 0. But when t equal to 1, we have to check. When t equal to 1, I can get the point. When t equal to 1, it will be when t equal to 1, it will be 2 comma 4. So this point. Now what they are asking, area of triangle PQS. This is point P. This is the common chord of circle. So P, Q and S. 2 comma 4, 1 point, 0 comma 0 another point, 2 comma 0 another point. This thing we have to focus now. So if you observe carefully, here it is a right angle triangle. This is a thing. So now half into, here it is 2 base, here it is height, it will be 4 units. So 2 will get cancelled. And what is the area? The area is 4 units. Like this you have to solve. First you have to draw the diagram and you can point out the point of intersection you are getting, and after getting the point of intersection, one is 0 comma 0, another is 2 comma 4, another is the focus 2 comma 0. These 3 points is a right angle triangle forming. So a right angle triangle area is half into base into height. The base is 2 units and height is 4 units. 2 will get cancelled. The answer is 4. So this is the area of triangle PQS. This is 7th question completed. Seventh question completed. Now 8th question. The tangent PT on the normal PN to the parabola y square equal to 4ax at the point P on it meet its axis at point T and N. The locus of the centroid of the triangle PTN is a parabola whose, they given the points A, B and C, 4 options is given. They are saying the vertex is 2a by 3. We have to find the centroid locus here. The directrix they given. Directrix is x equal to 0. Latus rectum is 2a by 3 and focus is a comma 0. So these things, the tangent PT, if you observe carefully this question, there is a parabola that is y square equal to 4ax. This is a parabola y square equal to 4ax, and there is a point here, P point, and if I draw the normal, it will be cutting the x-axis at n, and if I draw tangent, it will be cut at t. It will be cutting at t, and what they are saying it will be cutting like this, and the locus of the center of the triangle formed PTN. Suppose it is a locus. But in order to find the locus of the centroid, first we have to find the centroid, and before finding the centroid, you can directly take this point as 80, 0, 80, 280. But what about T point? This T point, there is a property in the parabola. Is suppose there is a parabola y square equal to 4ax, and suppose at random point P 80 square, 280, if I draw the tangent and normal, it will intersect the x-axis at the points, very important property, minus 80 square, 0, and this point is 2a plus 80 square, 0. These are the points. Now, if I got 3 points, so I can take the centroid. So, suppose if h, k is the centroid, what I can do? H equal to, I can add all things, 280 square plus 2a plus 80 square minus 80 square divided by 3, comma, I will do here 280 by 3. This is k value, this is k value, and this is h value. And if you see clearly, it will be two things will be cancelled, and h equal to a t square plus 2a by 3 here, and k equal to 280 by 3. And you want to eliminate t, you can write like this, 3k divided by 2a equal to t, and you can substitute here. Here it will be 3h equal to, if you take common a, it will be t square plus 2. So I can write like this here. What is t square? T square is 3k by 2a whole square plus 2. What is 3k plus 3k by 2a whole square? It will be 9k square divided by 4a square plus 2. So it will be 9k square plus 8a square divided by 4a square. And in the left side it will be 3h by a, it will a will get cancelled, and 12ah equal to 9k square plus 8a square plus 8a square, and if you take like this, 12ah minus 8a square, 9k square equal to minus 8a square plus 12ah, and if you observe carefully here, this thing I can write in terms of k square equal to minus 8 by 9 a square plus 2 by 9 ah. I can write like this. Yes, and here it is very important, you have to take the correct steps. It is very really important, and here you can generally see it is the a, and here it is k. So k square equal to 2 by 9 ah minus 8a square divided by 9. And if I substitute k as y and h as x, it is y square equal to 2 by 9 xh, it will be 2h by 2hx, it will be 2ax minus 8a square divided by 9. So if I can take common a, I can take common 2a, what I will get? X by 9, and also I can take common 9, 2a by 9, and here x minus, if I take common 2a, it will be 4a, x minus 4a. So this is the thing, and I can multiply into 2 here and divided by 2 here, so it will be 18. So it will be 4 into a by 18. So this is the type of parabola, that is y square equal to 4ax, like this. So they are asking what is vertex. What is vertex here? The vertex is when I take a common 2a, yes, it is correct only. Yes, the vertex is 2a by 3, 0, and focus, I think there is a slight calculation error, you can check here, but this is the correct process, and the focus is a, 0. What are the points given? You have to observe carefully, and you have to substitute very carefully in order to get the another parabola, and using that parabola you can easily find the vertex and the focus. So the equation is completed. Now 9th question. The question which I left in the starting, now I will be doing that question. Let L be a normal to the parabola parabola y square equal to 4x if L passes through the point 9 comma 6, then L is given by what? A, B, C, D. Basically they are asking the normal equations. Here it will be y plus 3x minus 33 equal to 0. Here it will be y plus x minus 15 equal to 0. And here it will be y minus 2x plus 12 equal to 0. You already know for parabola, if there is a point which is internal to the parabola, that is 9 comma 6, you can draw at most of 3 normals to the given parabola. What is the parabola given? Y square equal to 4x. So y square equal to 4x parabola, what is the normal equation? Y equal to mx minus 2am minus am cube. But here a equal to 1, I can write this as y equal to mx minus 2m minus m cube, and they given it is drawn from 9 comma 6. So I can substitute 9 comma 6 here. What I will get? Here it will be 6, here it will be 9m, here it will be minus 2m, it will be minus m cube. So it will be minus plus m cube minus 7m plus 6. Here I done mistake in the starter. This is cubic equation. I can get the first rule by trial and error method. I can substitute m as 1 minus 7 plus 6. Yes, it is 7 minus 7, it is 0. So m minus 1 is the root. And another thing I can get by doing the synthetic division. It will be 1, 0, minus 7, 6. Here it will be 1, 0, 1, 1, 1. It will be 1 minus 6, it will be 0. So another equation is x square plus x minus 6. That is m square plus m minus 6 and m minus 1 into, here it will be m square minus plus 3m minus 2m minus 6, m into m plus 3 minus 2 into m plus 3, m equal to minus 3, m equal to 2, m equal to 2 and m equal to 1. So there are nearly 3 slopes came. So you can directly verify what is the slope of this, it will be 1, and what is the slope of this, it will be minus 3, minus the slope of this equation is, what is the slope of the first equation, it is minus of the x coefficient, that is 1 divided by 1, it is 1, and what is here, it will be minus 3, and what is here, it will be minus 1, here it will be minus 1, what it will be here, it will be 2. So what we got, minus 3, 2, 1, minus 3, 2, 1. So option A, option B and option D is correct. Option A, option B and option D is correct. So 9 questions completed. Now last question. That is 10th question. Let the curve C be the mirror image of the parabola y square equal to 4x with respect to the line x plus y plus 4 equal to 0 if A and B are the points of intersection of line y minus phi, then the distance A and B is, basically this is y equal to minus phi line, and there is a curve C. Suppose this is the parabola and this is a curve, this is a point here, and they are asking this distance they are asking, it is phi minus alpha. If I take alpha, and this point we have to find what is this point. Here it is, the given equation is x plus phi plus 4 equal to 0, and here y equal to minus phi plus 4 equal to 0, so x equal to 1. So here x equal to 1, y equal to minus phi. What is the distance here? Phi that is phi minus alpha plus 1. So here alpha is 0, you can take alpha is 0. Here what is the distance here? Phi minus 1. So what it will be the distance? It will be 4. So the curve C is a mirror image of the parabola y square equal to 4x with respect to the line, and AB are the points. This is the AB, and the distance between AB is 5 minus 1, it is 4. So the distance between them is 4. So finally the 10 questions got completed, and if you have any doubts you can comment in the comment section, as I will reply to that comment. And also if you didn't join the Telegram group, join the Telegram group. And thank you guys for supporting me, and also all the best for your exams. Thank you.